Hello and welcome to another video. According to EY's global IPO trends, 80 new IPOs raised $17.8 billion in the US between January and June. So, better economic and business prospects were the leading cause of this rise. And amidst this, I think now is the right time to act on recent IPOs as the storyline for September would continue to develop if the data continues to indicate a contracting US jobs market and declining inflation. This will indicate that investors should now search for the most recent public offerings. Two such healthcare IPOs are Tempus AI and Waystar Holding Corp. So, first let's talk about Tempus AI. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze medical test results, enabling doctors and other medical professionals to treat patients more precisely. The firm's revenue increased by 183% between 2002 and 2023. On its first trading day, the price of Tempus AI was $37, the upper end of its intended range of 35 to 37. Due to its early success, the firm was valued at up to $7 billion. Currently, the stock is down by 34%, but Google's financial backing says a lot about TEM. Therefore, I believe this popular recent IPO will serve aggressive investors pretty well. Now let's come to Waystar Holding. Waystar Holding is a healthcare-focused software firm that offers streamlined payment methods to healthcare professionals. For the first 3 months of 2024, Waystar earned the top spot in 5 categories for healthcare payment software platforms. In Q1 2024, Waystar sales were close to 25 million, while its net loss was about $16 million. The stock was priced at $20 on the first trading day and has since gained more than 3%. If the projected growth continues, we can rise to $27 by the end of this year. So do follow these two stocks, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.